Hello, welcome to Richland Community College's Computer Integrated Manufacturing Lab. My name is Brad Curry, Manufacturing Technology Instructor here at Richland. I'm going to show you today some of the things that we have in this lab to help you learn how to be a machinist, a tool and die maker, a mold maker, and quality control inspector, or several other different types of jobs and positions that are in high demand and definitely something that manufacturers in this area are looking for. So come on in and I'll show you some of our machinery. Now, none of the machines are up and running right now, but on a given day when we're in classes, our students are using these machines, they're practicing on these machines, and they're setting up and running these machines in hands-on practical application of the machines to learn how to do this in industry. So come on back, I'll show you some of our tools. We are very, very happy to have several different types of CNC machines and equipment, from our CNC mills to our CNC lathes and our newest Haas mini mill right here. We also offer some manual machining with our manual lathes and manual bridge ports. And of course our small trainer turning lathes and CNC mills and our trainers up here as well. So you see we've got a lot of different equipment that you can use to learn how to set up, run, and operate CNC machines in a manufacturing environment. In addition to our machining applications that are done in this lab, this is also our quality control lab. So where we teach metrology, and we have a coordinate measuring machine, what is commonly referred to as a CIM, so which is this machine right here. Very, very useful in a quality control lab and very important to learn how to program, run, and operate to prove out tolerances on parts, as well as several different types of measuring tools that we use. So if you take these courses, you will learn all about the different types of tools, measuring tools that we use in industry to prove out that the parts that we make are made to the print specifications, so that they're going to be good parts that are going to be interchangeable and are going to go into the everyday objects and everyday items that we make here in the United States. So if you are interested in machining, in manufacturing, in quality control, come on in and talk to us. We'll be glad to talk to you all about how we can help you learn this knowledge and skills for a successful career in manufacturing here in Decatur, Illinois.